What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, check out my full in-depth review on the latest Trophy Room 1 Jordan collab, the Jordan 7s. It's a new sheriff in town. Blue laces from my Jordan 1 Trophy Rooms still here. I got rid of the Jordan 1s though. Aww. But it's Sneaker Notes. You know what I do here. It's the hottest style. So in this video, I'm going to put together some pieces to match the latest Trophy Room Jordan 7s, the best. You know, fire outfits. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That was a dope B-roll. Pay attention to some of those things I feature in the B-roll because I always don't show it on camera, but it's also a perfect match. Just don't want the video to be too long. But if you need help finding anything you've seen that I don't show and give you the price, hit me up. I'm not a robot. I'll respond right away. We'll get you right. But let's start with the Kith for USA shorts. If this doesn't scream Olympics at you, Trophy Room 7, nothing else will. Trust me. You got the beautiful stars, the blue shorts, the USA logo, red, white, and blue, Kith logo under that. What else do we got? Gold tips, Kith, just like the gold you see inside the Trophy Rooms. I really like this match, guys. Some of y'all live in states where it's nice all the way around. I'm in New York. It's brutal right now. The hoodie I got on also match. Nike.com. But for far as the Kith shorts, you can still get this third party. Not that much. I was looking at StockX. It's a whole bunch of Kith for USA stuff still sitting. I was in LA 2 months ago and the Kith there still had USA stuff sitting. So you'll be able to get it. This one was more the priciest one. But a little lower was these Kith USA joints. Nice gray. Got all the colors here, just like the back pull tab on the Jordan 7s. So you're still in play. USA there in a nice terry cloth Chanel patch. Gray. Made for more of the light jogging or, you know, just going outside to the store. Not like the first ones I showed you. These were around $70 retail. StockX maybe $85. The first ones I showed y'all, StockX had them for like $90, $95. So yeah, let's start. We started with Olympics. Every time I think of Olympics, I think of McDonald's. It could be when I was a kid and watching Olympics, McDonald's always sponsored it. This here is the Cactus Jack for McDonald's joint. And it got the French fries there and the Cactus Jack face, the McDonald's logo. There's no yellow in that sneaker. It's more of a gold. But like I said, McDonald's and Olympics always went hand in hand with me. You could get this StockX for the low. Cactus Jack joints were dope, but they made a lot. And I don't care what Jordan silhouette. If it has red in it, some Chicago Bulls shorts will do. Super dope. Chicago Bulls, Hardwood Classic, Michelin Ness. Michelin Ness has a stupid sale right now, guys. 20% off. Go get these. And speaking of shorts, but not on sale, these are the Trophy Room Jordan 7 shorts made straight for the sneaker. Again, when you're trying to match something, just look at the gear. Sometimes the gear is fire. So you got your Jordan Jumpman logo there. Trophy Room logo here. Gold tip zipper on the back. Nice drawstring also with the gold tips. How much did I pay for this? That's the question. I got these from Nike.com. $75, guys. You cannot get this on third party. So you're going to have to go to Nike. Hope it's not sold out. Trophy Room if it's in your city, or trophyroom.com. I think these shorts still available. They're super dope, durable, and heavy, guys. When you think of red, you automatically think of Supreme. This here is a Be a Champion, Stay in School Supreme crew neck. Supreme and Champion, this was like maybe 2 years ago. But it's on StockX. But just remember, it's about 2-3 years ago, man. I like the red crew neck along with the Champion logo, because the Champion logo is always red, white, and blue, just like the Trophy Rooms. So you know what we hitting with that. And y'all should stay in school. Like I said, I'm where it's brutal at. It's cold, New York. Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie. Red or blue. Y'all know I got them both. But I like the red one because it's more red, white in that sneaker than it is blue. Yeezy Gap. I know Kanye's going through some things, guys. But this hoodie is super warm. Super, super fitting. That's why it's a perfect Gap hoodie. And they on sale. You know, a lot of people down on Yeezy right now. So get it while it's hot and it's cheap. Heading back to Supreme. The Supreme boat tee. Red, white, and blue. It screams it at you. It's even a little yellow goldish line on that little sailboat. Dope match. I didn't check prices. So in my opinion, you get in that USA feel with the red, white, and blue in the tee. And this is one of the best Supreme material tees. Some of them be flaky, collar be loose. This is thick material. Supreme spring tees, maybe 2 years ago. Back to Champion, back to shorts. But mixing it a little bit. Y'all know I try to say this every video. R.I.P. Virgil. This is the off-white Champion collab shorts. Nice red, white, and blue. Got that cream color that's in the 7s that I told y'all so flaky. But it's here. It's all in here. You got it all in here. Even the shoe. No. I thought the laces was. The loose laces is red. But you got that cream colorway. Nice material. Off-white Champion. You can't go wrong, man. I got these from Grail. Grail is now with GOAT. I don't know what's the situation. You probably still could go to Grail.com and look for these. But, yeah, that's something to think about. I got to check it out. I think Grail is still open even though they collab with GOAT. This Kith box logo is very affordable and it's available. If you have a Kith in your city, go check it out. I know it's not officially red, as you can see. It's more in that burgundy. That's because with that toe box, the more you wear it, the more it's going to get that darker red. That's why I went with this like burgundy look. If you own the Carmines or the Cardinals, go look at your toe box right now. You see that it ain't that bright red when it first started. I like this shirt because of the color and because of the thickness. Good material. Very thick. Y'all know Kith is made in Peru. Kith box logo. The Supreme water gun tee. Come on. Red, white, blue. Nice model with a water gun. It screams the 7s, guys. You can get this. The colorway and your sizing might be different. That might be the price change. But Supreme has these. A lot of them. And one more tee. I told y'all in my video a while ago. If you watch the channel, I appreciate you. If you're new, welcome. This Dennis Rodman Mitchell & Ness tee. I wanted this tee so bad because it goes with any Jordan. Whether it's a red and white, a white and red, or all red. Dennis Rodman, man. You know he's like world treasure. So you got him with a crazy color hairstyle like always. Mitchell & Ness. I got this from PacSun. I think $32. The price is not there no more. But you see I got it from PacSun. Mitchell & Ness. Hardwood classic. Material. It feels Italian, guys. I'm not going to lie. Hats. With that sneaker, you got a lot to choose from. Let's start with the strapbacks. Doesn't matter. Blue, red, blue. Got the white in it. Both strapback Supreme hats. Box logo. for the low. We talking under $60, guys. StockX, GOAT, they got them. Even your local Supreme or even the website, just click on hats in the Supreme website. You can find either one. Scully's. You could go with the Supreme. You could go with the Kith. They both match to me. Both under $75. Hat Club, Fruit Collection joints. Cincinnati Reds. Got the tomato on the back. Yeah, tomato is a fruit. Dope. About $80. Low pricey. San Francisco 49ers. I'm still repping for Cap. Got the gold, got the red. You just missing the blue. But you still get the picture. And it got that creamy classic outsole. Stanley Cup joint. Yeah, silver instead of gold. We know the Olympics. The USA team won the gold. But you got some gold here. Stanley Cup final joint. So I kind of like it. Mitchell and Ness. Any Bulls hat, guys. Any Bulls hat. Y'all should know that. ODB Supreme EBT card classic. His first album. Got your blue. Got your yellowish gold. Whole hat is red. And some white in the inside. EE Dodgers hat. I like this because it's a spinoff. It's more blue than red. But you still getting your red in there. Still getting your white from the Dodgers logo. Mesh. Your hair won't be sweating. I like it. Any Yankee hat. I decided to go with the Kith one because Kith is my guys. But any Yankee hat puts that blue together. Anyone. And Hat Club's Frost joint. This is the Mets one. Got your red, got your white, got your blue. You just don't have no gold. But I mean, come on, guys. Like, you got 3 of the 4 colors. Should do. Yes, sir. So this has been a how to style on the Jordan 7 trophy rooms. Beautiful sneaker. I just don't like the flakiness of the white, man. That's the only thing I can't wrap my hand around, man. My head around. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like. It really helps the channel. I thought the YouTubers was lying. It helps the channel, man. Everybody, get rich.